right, left, open hit. Ooh, then come here. Oh, tap. Oh, ta. Ooh, ooh, ta. Oh, shot. So scream. Y'all call. Oh, pa. Oh, AWOL. All sleep. All sleep. That easy. It's not complicated. In fact, it's not complicated. I've seen people complicating this dance. It's not complicated. All the best as you're trying to do it. It depends, child. Now do it. Easy, easier. This is it depends challenge. It's a challenge, a dance challenge. It's not very complicated. It's not easy because you need to look at the beats, eat them well. Don't complicate it. Enjoy and don't try to like worry you're not dancing like Chris Brown. He's been dancing for the first 20 years. Or you might not dance like me. But just trying to do it. Enjoy, have fun. It's just to make us happy and feel entertained. All the best as you do it.